So today we will be discussing about the problem which will inform you that what is the purpose of given Turing machine. So the problem is, note down the problem. Example 1, consider SFM for a TM with the following: I is equal to 0, 1 and blank. S is alpha, beta, gamma, where gamma is the final state, or in a Turing machine it is called as the halt state. D is indicating the three direction, that is L, R and no movement. Now the question is, find the purpose of aforementioned TM provided the initial configuration of the TM as shown below. Zero, 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 1. This is the input and remaining cells are filled with the blank. Okay. Now the SFM given is, which is a functional matrix in which you are having information about the states and the input and the transitions. So the input symbols are 0, 1 and all blank, that is allowable character on the tape. States are alpha, beta and gamma as it is written, and the SFM is having entries like this: 0, beta, R. This is R again. This is dash dash, gamma n, and again dash dash dash. So this is the matrix given to you, and this is a initial configuration of TM, or we can say the ID. Now if we are saying ID, then it is necessary we should have the information of where is your head locating and what is a current state. So here the head is locating at the blank and the current state or initial state is alpha here. Okay, so now we want to, so this is whole, this and this is representing your initial configuration of the TM. Now we want to know the purpose of this machine. So how to find out the purpose of this machine? So we need to simulate this machine first. So now we will try to simulate this machine. So let us simulate above TM. What do you mean by simulating the given TM? So simulation of given TM is represented by how the moves are happening in the TM on the current ID. So we want to simulate above TM for certain example. So for a sample string, that is 0001, okay, which is already marked here which is acting as here a sample string. Okay, so now for this we will simulate. Now how to simulate the Turing machine? Now see here, for simulation we will be starting with the ID representation. So what is our ID? Now see, as I have told you, we are always writing the information of a state to the left of the symbol to be read. So which symbol we are going to read? We are going to read the blank. So our whole string is what? Blank, 0, 0, 0, 1 and blank. So our state will be represented at the left of this. Okay, so this is the initial configuration of a TM, right? Now next is we want to go for the next steps. Now when one move is allowed by the Turing machine to above ID, we will get the next ID. So how we will get the next ID? So we will check here, if the current state is alpha, if the current symbol read is blank, then what is to be done? So it is written, it should be moved towards the right, keeping all other information as it is. So we want to apply this. So what has happened now? Our next ID become what? Blank, alpha, 0, 0, 0, 1 and blank. So this is why, because we are having a delta function as what? Alpha comma blank is giving you movement towards right, right? Next, again, now this is acting as a current ID. Now we want to apply. So now we want to read 0 with the current state as alpha. So current state is alpha and we are reading 0. What is happening? Again it is moving towards right. So I need to write the next ID as well. So next ID will appear like this, alpha. So what is happening? It is also only moving towards right. So now alpha will be moved where? Before the next 0 to be read, right? So 0, 0, 0, 1 and blank, right? This is why, because we are again applying alpha 0 is moving towards right. So again we are getting same situation. Again we need to move head towards the right. So now alpha will go here and blank, reason is same, that is alpha 0 is giving you right. Okay, next TM move will be again blank, 0, 0, 0, alpha 1 and blank, right? So now what is happening? This alpha is moved here. Why it is moved again? Due to the reason the same one, that is alpha 0 moves towards right. After this, now we are reading the, see, now here we are reading 1 with the current state, see here. Now we are reading 1 with the current state alpha. So what is the next move? We need to check in this table. So in this alpha with 1, what is happening? It is changing the bit or input symbol read to 0, changing the state to beta and moving towards right. So we want to reflect this in the simulation. So how we will be reflecting? So we will be writing as what? So it will become next TM, TM. So now after reading this, what is happening? 0, 0, 0 and 1 is also changed to 0. So let me make it with another color. So 1 is updated to 0 and the moving towards the right, okay, as well. What is happening? The state is changed to beta, okay. That's why we got now the new things as what? This is why, because we are having alpha comma 1 is going to give you what information? 0, beta, r, okay. So see, 1 is replaced by, earlier it was 1, which is replaced by 0. Now it is moved towards right because now all are red, blank need to be red. So before it, the state information, state is now from alpha, it is changed to beta, right? So this is the next one. Now when this machine will halt or will stop, so when it is reaching to a halt state, which is our halt state, so it is already mentioned our halt state is a gamma state, but we are still in the beta state. So we need to continue. So in this, what we will do is, we will write blank 0 0 0 0. Now beta is reading what? Blank. So what is happening when beta is reading blank? See, beta on blank moving to gamma state, with beta on blank moving to gamma state with the no movement. So we want to reflect this. So how we will reflect it? So now again we have to do no movement. That means we need not change the position of this beta, that is the new state here will be what? So beta will be updated to gamma and it is no movement. Is it? What is written? State is changed to gamma and no movement. So since no movement, you need not to change the position of this gamma, and you have to only update the state. Okay, so this is why, because it is given beta on blank does what? It is going to move to gamma state with no movement. Now we are available with the next move. Have we reached to the gamma state? Okay, so as soon as we reach to the gamma state, our machine will halt. Okay, so here there will be now no next movements because we have reached to the gamma state. So after simulating all this, what we could identify, that if the 1 is preceded by a multiple 0, then it is needed to be changed to 0. Okay, so what is the observation? The observation, whenever a sequence of zeros followed by 1 is encountered, it then moves to the next available blank and halts. That means you are getting the string which is converted to, or the one which is preceded by 0 is converted to 0. Now there is one more preferred way using the simpler ID notation for the above simulation. So another simple way to simulate above example, how we can do it? We can just see here is a blank, just write down 0 0 1 and blank, which is a initial configuration. Okay, and you just notify that currently your head is on the blank and the state is alpha. So this is more better way to understand the current instantaneous description of a machine, Turing machine. Okay, so with this it is more easy. Now in next move, what you will do, you will be showing it like this, where this head is moved and no changes the state. So again, what, with the help of alpha and blank, it is moving towards right. Similarly next 0 0 0 1 blank. Now your alpha will be available here. This is also because alpha and 0. Okay, towards right, then again blank 0 0 0 1 blank again alpha, so again this is because alpha 0 moving towards right. Now again blank 0 0 0 1. Now your pointer or head will be on 1. This is again because you are having same configuration or same representation in SFF. Next blank 0 0 0. Now this 1 need to be updated to 0, as we have just seen. If alpha and 1, then it should be updated to 0, and your pointer should move towards the right, and the state need to be changed to beta. So this is why, because delta alpha comma 1 is giving you the information as what? The 0 beta r. Okay, so 1 is converted to 0, move towards right, and the state change to beta. Next blank 0 0 0 0, and now what is happening? We are having blank, so now here it will become the state gamma. Why it will become state gamma and no movement? Because we are having delta beta comma blank is equal to gamma n, right? So if it is beta comma blank, then it is gamma n, right? Since you reach to a gamma state, then you can halt here, or you have reached to a halt state. Okay, so this I think is a better understanding of simulation of given Turing machine. So I hope you have understood what is the purpose of given Turing machine. So the purpose of Turing machine is, if you are getting number of 1 after number of zeros, or 1 is preceded by 0, then it should be updated to 0. So I think this problem is clear to you. We will move to the next problem.